finally found a safe place to get rid of all these damn robots. Now, to bypass the password. Alright, so inputting these random numbers and letters. But this may meaning nothing. How am I supposed to do this? Maybe it's with an insertion sort?
Sure. Thank you. See you later. Alright, I got the information that you've sent, and we're translating it into this world's language. I realized that what you're trying to accomplish, the way that you're trying to accomplish it, is wrong. You will probably want to use a selection sort, like what we have here, and I'll give a quick demonstration of it. We have a minimum value and a current value. The minimum value is set to the first number as well as the current value. As we progress through the array, we will change the current value as we go through each number. If the current value is smaller than the minimum value, it will change the minimum value. We go through each one of the parts of the array, and if it's smaller than the minimum value, we'll change it as well. Once we get to the end of the array, we switch the position of the minimum value with the very first position, so that first position is now the smallest part of the array. It will then go on to the next section once it has that first part completely filled out. It will do the exact same thing until the array is finished and your array is sorted. You can use this method with the encrypted code that you have in order to find out that password and get one step closer to beating those robots.
I finally bypassed the password.
I just wanna rock. Body out of ya.
Alright. Yes! Now that I'm in the security system, I want to redirect their targets to their boss, Caleb Stewart. But I'm gonna need to go deeper and hack into their storage system where they can pinpoint my location and other innocent lives. I just gotta do this and we're in. Ugh, I don't want to search through all these files to find Caleb and risk attacking my people. But I don't have the time to do that. If there was only some way to go through these lists of people in a single second, then I could maybe pull this off and buy myself some time from these damn robots.
Luckily for you, there's a way to solve that problem. You can use a while loop. All you have to do is set a variable equal to Caleb. The while loop will go through the targets until it finds Caleb, and once it finds Caleb, it will set the target equal from you to Caleb.
Yes, I finally got some time on my hands. I need to try and take complete control of these robots and have some firepower. This code is going to set up limits on the amount of firepower that the robots can use, so I need to implement my own ideas because I need the most amount of power to get rid of these damn evil robots and their evil leader, Caleb. But my God, how am I supposed to do this?
You can create a new object that will have better and more powerful weapons to make these robots more powerful. You can do this by creating a header with the class name weapons and have private instance variables with a weapon such as a flamethrower or even a bazooka, if you know what I mean. You will need to make a constructor, also called weapons, that has the parameters that take in whatever weapons you want to add and set them equal to the private instance variables that you had up top. You can also add mutator and accessor methods in order to fully access these weapons and get the full potential.
I'm almost done. Now I finally have to... Why are there so many errors? No, this can't be. No. Oh my God.
Caleb has not always been like this. Before the robots came to destroy and take over the planet, Caleb was a content young man, hoping to achieve the same things his father had with his coding skills. But once the robots hit, his father had died, and Caleb inherited all the knowledge about lobstering from his father. Caleb did not know what to do when he was confronted by the robots, so he decided to ally with them and even upgrade their software to his lobsters. Evil robots have influenced him, and now he's completely gone to the dark side and is willing to be the last human alive if it means his power and safety.
Caleb Stewart. Let's end this now.
That's just what I've been waiting to hear.
Take this. It's a secret. It's a blob screw. Yes! Okay, now that Caleb is gone, everything is all up to me. But he left me this note. I guess it was made pretty quickly because it wasn't even finished. And he just told me to revert his ways, but didn't even tell me how to do it. If I don't revert these robots back to their neutral state soon, I'll be toast. I think it has to do something with the mutator method, but I'm not really sure.
You're almost there, because you'll have to mutate the robots. You can use a while loop to go through the robots. The while loop will go through the robots, and inside the while loop is an if statement. This if statement will test if the robot is neutral or not. If it is not neutral, it will be set to neutral, and if it is neutral, then the while loop will move on.
Okay, now that we have all these robots set to neutral, we have to finally destroy them once and for all. But there are so many types of robots, and in order to completely destroy them, I need to go through the whole code for each type rather than changing only one part of its code. But there's so many different ones, and I don't even know where to begin and what they extend to. I think it has to do something with the inheritance, but I'm not sure if the methods overlap or anything like that.
You got the right idea. Well, I'll give a quick demonstration using this. So there's a superclass and a subclass. The subclass inherits all of the instance variables, the constructor, and the methods from the superclass, but not vice versa. If a method in the subclass has the same name and parameters as one in the superclass, it will override it. But if it doesn't, it won't override it. Hopefully this helps you with your robot adventure, and good luck.
Thanks for all the help, guys. Now I'm able to save the world. Let's see. And
Hear me out. It is time to meet your demise.
Robot King, let's end this once and for all. Are you serious right now, bro?
Mission accomplished.
What? Ah! I have to save the world. I'm almost there. Get off me! Hasta la vista, baby. You like the background? Do you have the background? Remember the background?
How we doing?
Now, in order to... I can't! Yes! No! Damn it! Holy guacamole!
No. You.
All the target equal to Caleb.
You can create Oh my god.
Let's end this one.
Hasta la vista.
That was so bad.